So if you buy stuff at Costco, please pay attention to what I'm going to say, and please watch the video all the way through the end. It's not for the monetization from YouTube, it's for you to learn what's going on. So I just picked up this battery from Costco, and I did not buy this. They were needed to replace it with an original battery that was defective, and I'm going to put here a link. Just kind of a picture to you can see. Here it said that it's 36 months limited warranty replacement. Okay, the battery that I returned was saying 42 months free replacement. It means that the warranty was for 42 months, and it was a replacement. You give them a battery, you get a battery, they give the battery to the vendor give them a battery, as simple as that. Also, this thing I would need to take from my old battery, because the rude guy at Costco Pacoima, the manager over there for the automotive, his name is Mike, was refused to give me one that's supposed to come with the battery, and told me that I should just put it like anybody else put in their battery in their car and just dump it in. This is not going for this thing, this is going to my Jeep. So what was going on? I got to Costco with a battery that under warranty, and it was supposed to get head-to-head replacement. You give them one, you get one, end of the story. But no, Costco decided to rip off their customer. So what they're doing right now, when you're going to return a battery even under warranty, they want you to pay the difference in cost between your battery when you purchase it and the cost of it today. So they were trying to get from me another $19. That it's not a big deal, it's $19, but it is a big deal because it's a $19 that they're not supposed to get. I did call to Interstate right now before I did this video and check what's going on, and they say, yeah, Costco running their own warranty, but Costco does send battery back to Interstate and get a replacement for free. This is how the warranty works. But when you go to Costco and return the battery, they will actually ask you to pay for a new battery, and this is where they're ripping you off and charging you $19 plus tax and all the other fees. So it's going to be about $23 or $24. So this is something very important. Now, where this is coming to effect, the new battery say on it 36 months limited warranty. The other batteries say free replacement. Free mean that I don't have to pay for anything. Costco decided that they're doing this. Actually, one of the employees, when I confront him, he tell me that I'm a little baby and, you know, ask me to leave the store. And also, again, he refused to give me this piece of plastic. I took it myself out. I have a clip here that you just pull and this thing come out, if you did not know about it. Now, if you know me, you know that I have a motorcycle shop, and when you buy a battery, if the battery is defective, you bring it back to the shop, we give you a brand new one, and we are breaking our head with our vendor to get a replacement. So it don't cost us anything, it's just the time to call them and ask them to send one. Costco decided to charge more money, and it's a complete ripoff. If it's also happened to you, contact me and let's start a class action against Costco. This is a ripoff. If something say on it free warranty, and look at again at the picture, it's a free replacement for a certain amount of time, it's mean that you don't pay anything. Again, I was in Costco Pacoima in Los Angeles, and it's actually San Fernando Valley, and the guy over there in the counter, his name is Mike. He is the manager. And then when I asked him to call the main manager of Costco of the entire shop, he said that he is the manager, until another guy hear me yelling at him, and he came over and said that he was the actually shop manager and not this Mike guy, and he ended up fixing the problem after he saw that like they will be in a lot of trouble for that. I called also the corporation for Costco. They did not really care. I talked to them for 30 minutes. Nobody even wanted to take my telephone number or any information to know even who I am and what happened. They hear what happened, and it's got from one ear and gone out from the other, because think about it. They will get a free battery. If I pay the $20-something, they will get another battery and the battery that they will get, they will sell it to another customer for another certain amount of money, plus this $23 that they just upped the price on those batteries. So they have already like 40, let's say $50 extra from one customer. So they take my battery, sell it, get refund for it, get a new one for it, and sell it for more money. And this is kind of a ripoff, and we have to open our eyes. People, pay attention. Costco is not your friend. Costco selling you a lot of junk that you don't need each time you go there, because you see a lot and you think it's cheap, but they're not. I could go to any car shop, any mechanic that sell batteries and work with Interstate, and they will just take with the battery and give me a new one. If it's on a certain amount of months, they just replace it usually. I'm done dealing with Costco. I just want all of you guys to know about this warning. Bye.